What if I told you that the seemingly random string of gibberish was actually stronger than your password? Not only that, but all supercomputers, in fact, infinite supercomputers, cannot solve it in an indefinite amount of time. This isn't actually really a password though. It is part of the three-part LTP standing for one-time pad. One-time pad is mathematically impossible to crack, while other encryption methods may be pragmatically impossible to crack, meaning that they take too long to be feasibly crackable. This is just probabilistically impossible because there are infinite amount of possible solutions.
What is OTP, one-time pad? One-time pad, commonly abbreviated to SOTP, is a type of encryption that is mathematically impossible to crack. For example, in plain text, a message such as hello can be encrypted using a key, for example, GQNCX. The formula for the ciphertext or the encrypted message is C equals P plus K mod 26. I stands for the position in the ciphertext. Additionally, the key must be truly random, not pseudo-random, which means it can be generated by a computer algorithm. Assigning a number to each letter. Usually, A equals the first letter in the alphabet, but it has been shifted back one. So A equals 0 and B equals 1, and so on. To encrypt our message, we add in the position of the letters and mod 26 them. Our final result is NUYNL.
The example of one-time pad encryption. As you can see, we are labeling all lines, either position in the alphabet, that is one. Then we check if they have the same weight. In one-time pad, the key in the message must have the same length to produce the ciphertext. If else, we return error lengths must match. Then we do the encryption process. Click Export Text by right-clicking on the Python 3.14 icon or whatever version of Python you have. Then save as type all files. This will ensure the file isn't saved as a plain text file. Rename the section. For example, hello. Then go to command prompt. Type in Python and then file name. In this case, it's hello.py. Encrypt. Hello. And a random string that is the same length such as SMUKL, and we get the encrypted version. Next, if you want to decrypt, for example, Python hello.py decrypt easy you get hello again. You can also test this to see if it rejects strings that aren't the same length. The code will be in the description for anybody who wants to try. If LTP is so secure and uncrackable, then why isn't it used more? Well, this is because the logistics of OTP are impractical. For example, as aforementioned, the message must be as long as the key. So if you have a 1 gigabyte long message, which is equivalent to a movie, that could take a 1 gigabyte long key, which makes it inefficient for practical space. Additionally, it is hard to generate truly random things. Computer algorithms don't actually generate random numbers, they use complex mathematical algorithms, and while these are considered pseudo-random, they are not truly random. Truly random patterns include radioactive waves and more, and this is expensive and usually not worth it over standard encryption. Remember to like and subscribe.